Is a $20 tomato plant actually worth it? Let's find out. Now, the very first thing we got to do is find those $20 tomato plants, and they usually come with cages. Wait, they're actually on sale this week, but they really are $20. And no, I'm not a fan of Bonnie plants because most of you already know we sell our own. But I'm showing you all this just so I can save you guys some money. And what I'm trying to actually show you guys is what to actually look for when you go buying these tomato plants. And if you find your tomato plant that has about 3 or 4 suckers on them and they're at a decent size, then you may have found the perfect plant. And suckers are these 45-degree angle stems that are coming off this tomato plant right here. But I like to call them free plants. These smaller tomato plants are actually about $5 a piece, and they're already about 6 inches tall anyway. So why would you go buy those smaller tomato plants when you can just pull off these suckers and stick them right in water? Because it only takes a few extra days for those suckers to turn into plants. So you're getting a full-size tomato plant that's giving you tomatoes already, and then you're getting 3 or 4 free plants that are already at the same size as those $5 tomato plants. So to me, it's worth getting those $20 tomato plants, especially if you can find them on sale like they are right now. But I get it if you don't want to spend $20 on a tomato plant, but for the right one, it might be worth it.